Hello, juniors. Today is Wednesday, September 22nd. If you are absent today, let me catch you up. So this was the major focus of class today. They had to submit a rough draft of their future present essay. Submit a rough draft of the future present essay. If you look at 922, writing the rough draft, go ahead and click on that in Canvas. You're able to read the directions for what they had to submit. I only needed to see 3 paragraphs today in order for them to receive 60 points. So if you are absent, you must show me your draft to receive credit for this assignment. Let's take a look at how they started the class. Let's see here. I asked them to gather all the pieces of their essay if they were working alone. So if you're absent and you're like, I'm not working with a group, well, then you need to show me your planning sheet when you come back and your draft. So if you're working alone, don't worry about the team. If you are working with the team and you were not in class today, you are working alone. You cannot use their paper. Okay, so you will create a planning sheet and you must show me your draft to receive credit. If you ask for parent extensions, please don't ask me in class, have I received the email? If your parent sent the email, I received it. You may use parent extensions as often as you need. It's never a problem. You just need to have your parent tell me exactly the date that you all will include, that you'll submit the work. It's never a problem. So this week, today, Wednesday, we started on the rough draft. So before they left, they had to complete the rough draft. Tomorrow, they will receive revision directions for the rough draft. Friday, they will finish the essay and part 1 of the baseline reflection that you started 2 weeks ago. Monday, I'm going to allow you to assess yourself as part of the baseline project grade. Tuesday, we will have the American Eye discussion. In the meantime, you are working on Great Gatsby homework. Here is your homework that is due Friday at 8 a.m. It's already loaded here in Canvas, 9/24, Friday, anticipation guide. You can access the handout here, or you can ask for it when you come back to class. It explains exactly what you are to do, and you're going to upload the assignment by 8 a.m. Friday. Okay, so 8 a.m. Friday. That is the assignment. And this is the handout. Here's what you're doing. There are 15 quotes here, okay? You'll choose 8 of them for an A, 6 for a B, 4 for a C. You will write 2 or 3 sentences. Sentence 1, write the quote. Sentence 2 and 3, tell why you agree and explain. You're being graded based on your ability to explain, not writing the quote, not telling if you agree or disagree. You're being graded on how insightful is your explanation. So the explanation is what will get you a good grade on this, okay? In the meantime, we are doing Great Gatsby work at home. So as I told you, because we are behind, we will be reading the Great Gatsby at home until we are caught up. You'll start reading the Great Gatsby at home Friday. Over the weekend, you will have chapter 1 completed. Okay? If you were ready for a binder check Tuesday, September 21st, you will be receiving 25% increase, and I will begin to check your binders while you all are working on your essays in class Thursday and Friday. Today, I checked cards 16 to 20 for the honors class, and if you are in periods 3, period 6 or 7, I checked cards 10 through 12. Okay, so I checked cards 16 through 20 for E3H, and then 10, 11, 12 for periods 3, 6, and 7. Show them to me when you come back to class. Again, due today, students had to put 3 paragraphs in the tray. Even if the essay wasn't finished, I had to see 3 completed paragraphs in the tray for 60 points. And more paragraphs was extra credit. If you are working alone, then you have until next week. If you are absent and you're working alone, your essays due next Wednesday. You just have to approach me during class and show me your planning sheet to get credit for your draft. Okay? So if you have an IEP or 504, you're able to keep working at home. You should have just had me initial your paper so you can keep working at home. You can stop the slide at any time so you can take a look. This is the same that's posted here. Okay? Oops, not the classical music. So right here, so you can see for the final grade, here are the instructions you need to follow. And if you're wondering what is CHELS, what is the CHELS evidence, this is what it stands for. Again, pause the screen as you need. All right, juniors, if you have any questions, I can clarify them in Canvas. Let me know. Can't wait to see you back in class.